Welcome to our YouTube channel Simplified Invention. In this video, we are going to make a social distancing shield. During this pandemic situation in Covid-19, so in that way I have made this model. Let's see what are the accessories needed to make it. We need a 9V battery with a 9V battery connector with MX23 connector, and we have an ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. The main component for this project is Arduino Uno and jumper cable male to female. During this pandemic situation in Covid-19, everybody is wearing a mask and position face shield. By this face shield, we are setting up the ultrasonic sensor in front of the shield. By this way, we can calculate the distance between the people in front of it. Now first, before starting our project, you have to program the Arduino Uno board in Arduino IDE in our laptop or PC. The link is given in the description. The code link is also given in the description. Now we will start giving the circuit. I will take the male pin and the other end is copper for DC alarm or buzzer. And now we will connect the ultrasonic sensor, taking the 4 female pins and connecting with it ultrasonic sensor. Now we will plug all the main pins onto the Arduino Uno board. First we will take and plugging in. Now the circuit is ready. Let's connect the 9V battery to the DC input. Our circuit is working. Let's assemble the circuit onto the precision face shield mask. Now we will glue the circuit onto the precision face shield. First, we will fix the ultrasonic sensor. In front of the social shield mask. Then we will paste the Arduino Uno. Then we will fix the 9V DC alarm. At last, we will fix the 9V battery. We have fixed it. Now we will connect the DC input. Now our Coid mask shield is ready. Let's see how it works. If any people is standing less than 1 meter, it gives an alarm. Ultrasonic sensor sends it. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel Simplified Invention and click the bell icon to get the email notification when we upload any videos.